Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best tube and tile is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools in maintaining a pristine and functional home, transforming mundane chores into satisfying accomplishments by effortlessly tackling stubborn grime, mildew, and sealant issues in your bathroom and kitchen, ensuring every surface shines and lasts longer, making your living space not just cleaner, but truly revitalized and more enjoyable for everyone. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. You can prepare and paint your surface all in one day. This kit features a tough, 2-part epoxy acrylic formula. It's designed to withstand moisture and resist corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting finish. For the best outcome, mix parts A and B separately first. Then, combine them and mix for 2 minutes. Once mixed, be sure to apply it within 6 hours. Each kit provides coverage for up to 110 square feet. We highly recommend applying 2 coats, waiting only 1 to 2 hours between them. Allow it to dry for 3 days before exposing it to water. Always ensure your work area is well ventilated. Open windows and use a fan to circulate air effectively. This helps with safety and drying. Before you begin your project, always properly prepare the surface. Make sure to thoroughly read all the directions included in the kit. This ensures the best possible results. What we like. This kit offers a robust, 2-part epoxy acrylic formula for maximum durability. It's designed to withstand moisture and resist corrosion, making it perfect for high-traffic wet areas. If you have a larger tub or tile area needing a complete, long-lasting refresh, you should consider this comprehensive solution. What people say. Number 4. PentaUSA Tile Grout Repair Kit. Is your tile grout looking worn, cracked, or discolored? This kit provides a simple solution for those unsightly gaps and damaged joints, bringing new life to your surfaces. It's designed to make your tiles look fresh and new again. This pre-mixed acrylic sanded grout filler is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It cures into a solid, durable material that bonds seamlessly with your existing grout and tiles, ensuring a long-lasting repair. Even first-time users will find it incredibly easy to apply. You'll appreciate its quick drying time, becoming touch-dry in just about 2 hours and fully cured in 24. A single tube offers reliable coverage for approximately 29 square feet, making it ideal for various home projects. Just remember to allow full cure before water contact for best results. Enjoy a clean, white, water-resistant finish that guards against moisture. It's perfect for refreshing discolored joints and filling gaps in your shower, bathroom, or kitchen. This product creates a stain-resistant barrier in interior wet zones. Its low-odor, water-based formula is safe for indoor use and has a thick consistency that stays put. The built-in anti-clog nozzle ensures it stays fresh for future touch-ups, and the included scraper makes smoothing and cleanup effortless. This design makes application controlled and simple. For deeper gaps, you can apply multiple thin layers, building thickness without a stated limit. It's available in various sizes to suit different project scales, from small touch-ups to larger repairs. This versatility ensures you have the right amount for any job. What we like. This pre-mixed acrylic sanded grout is incredibly user-friendly, curing into a solid, water-resistant repair. Its squeeze tube with applicator makes precise application simple, even for beginners. If you are looking for an easy, mess-free way to fix white grout cracks and gaps, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source to extract points from. Unable to select helpful points as the source reviews were empty. Number 3. PentaUSA Tile Grout Repair Kit, 8.8 ounces 250 gr. This pre-mixed acrylic sanded grout is perfect for structural repairs. It effectively fills cracks, worn joints, and missing grout lines, ensuring a durable fix for your bathroom, shower, or kitchen tiles. Designed for wet areas, it offers water-resistant and stain-resistant protection. It touches dry in 2 hours, but allow 24 hours for a full cure before water contact. Choose from 5 coordinated gray shades to perfectly match your existing tiles. It blends seamlessly with ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, and marble. No mixing is required as it comes pre-mixed with an included applicator spatula. This makes it an easy DIY solution for both first-time users and experienced homeowners. For deeper gaps, you can apply it in layers, allowing each 1 mm coat to dry before adding more. One 8.8 ounce tube covers approximately 29 square feet, ideal for small projects. The cap features a built-in pin to prevent clogging, keeping the tube fresh for multiple repair sessions. Once fully cured, you can even paint over it to customize your grout color. From modern light gray to anthracite charcoal, find the ideal shade for contemporary, traditional, or industrial styles. It also comes in beige, white, and brown family collections for even more options. What we like. This pre-mixed grout stands out with its versatile gray color collection, offering 5 distinct shades. It's layerable for deep gaps and provides a durable, water-resistant finish. If you need to match existing gray tiles or want a specific gray tone for your bathroom, this kit has you covered. What people say. Number 2. PentaUSA Warm Beige Tile Grout Repair Kit. This kit offers a simple solution for restoring your tile grout. It's a pre-mixed sanded grout designed for easy DIY repairs in various areas of your home. Its acrylic sanded formula cures into a solid, grout-like material, ensuring durable repairs. It effectively fills cracks and gaps, bonding to existing grout to resist peeling and flaking. This formula creates a water-resistant moisture barrier once fully cured. It's perfect for shower and bathroom areas, becoming touch-dry in 2 to 4 hours and fully cured in 24 hours. You can use it for bathroom, shower, kitchen backsplash, and floor tile restoration. It works on both walls and floors for targeted interior grout repair. Its layerable application allows you to fill deep gaps, building up layer by layer. The thick consistency stays put, even on vertical surfaces, minimizing sagging. It's compatible with ceramic, porcelain, marble, and other standard tiles for versatile interior repairs. One tube covers approximately 29 square feet, making it suitable for 1 to 2 bathroom projects. No mixing or measuring is needed, simply squeeze it from the tube and smooth it. The anti-clog nozzle ensures it stays fresh for future touch-ups, perfect for any DIYer. What we like. This pre-mixed sanded grout comes in a beautiful range of 5 warm beige tones, ensuring a perfect match for various tile styles. Its multi-surface compatibility makes it highly versatile for different areas of your home. If you have beige, tan, or neutral tiles and need a precise color match for your repairs, this collection is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Spray Paint Gloss White. This innovative spray paint is perfect for revitalizing ceramic, porcelain, or fiberglass. You can use it on tiles, sinks, and even tubs to give them a fresh new look. Its unique one-step epoxy acrylic formula is designed for tough environments. It can withstand both moisture and extreme hot temperatures, ensuring a long-lasting finish. This product dries to the touch in just 15 minutes, making your renovation project faster. Each can covers up to 15 square feet, and with it, remodeling your bathroom becomes incredibly easy. It provides a highly durable and corrosion-resistant finish. This ensures your newly painted surfaces will look great and stand up to daily wear and tear. You'll achieve a smooth, glossy, and porcelain-like finish. This waterproof coating will make your bathroom surfaces appear brand new. What we like. This unique spray paint offers a one-step epoxy acrylic solution for quick and easy refinishing. It dries to the touch in just 15 minutes, providing a smooth, glossy, porcelain-like finish. If you like fast, convenient application for smaller areas like sinks or specific tiles, this spray is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.